Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. I am going to discuss about percentage bar diagram. This is the another form of component bar diagram. The values are plotted after converting into percentage. We express each component as the percentage of its respective total. That is, percentage is equal to given value divided by total value into 100. The length of the bars are equal to 100 and the components are subdivided in these equal parts. Comparison of a data is more convenient. The length of the subdivided bar diagram is different, but percentage bar diagram is equal. Because we convert all the values in percentage, the length of the bar is 100. Comparison of data is more convenient than subdivided bar diagram. I will explain the percentage bar diagram with a simple example. The birth rate of different countries in various years are given below. Represent the data with a percentage bar diagram. First, we have to convert the given data into percentage. The formula is given value divided by total value into 100. The birth rate total for the year 1995 is 47. The birth rate total for the year 2000 is 68. And for the year 2005 is 65 and 2010 is 67. Now we have to convert all the values into percentage. The birth rate for China in the year 1995 is 20. So 20 divided by total is 47 into 100. The value is 42.55. Now for India, 15 divided by total into 100. This is equal to 31.91. UK, the birth rate is 4. 4 divided by total into 100. So the value is 8.51. And for USA, 5. 5 divided by total into 100. That is 10.64. And for Germany, the birth rate is 3. 3 divided by 47 into 100. That is 6.38. Now for the year 2000, the birth rate for China is 23. 23 divided by total into 100. That is 33.82. India, the birth rate is 20. 20 divided by 68 into 100. So the value is 29.41. UK, the birth rate is 7. 7 divided by 68 into 100. So the value is 10.29. The birth rate for USA is 10 divided by total into 100. That is 14.71. And for Germany, 8 divided by 68 into 100. So the value is 11.76. In the year 2005, the birth rate for China is 14. 14 divided by total into 100. So the value is 21.54. For India, the birth rate is 22. 22 divided by total into 100. That is 33.85. For UK, the birth rate is 8. 8 divided by 65 into 100. That is 12.31. For USA, the birth rate is 12. 12 divided by 65 into 100. That is 18.46. And for Germany, the birth rate is 9. 9 divided by total 65 into 100. That is 13.85. In the year 2010, the birth rate for China is 20. 20 divided by 67 into 100. That is Now for India, the birth rate is 18. 18 divided by 67 into 100. So the value is 26.81. For UK, the birth rate is 10. So 10 divided by 67 into 100, that is 14.93. And for USA, the birth rate is 7. 7 divided by 67 into 100 is equal to 10.45. For Germany, the birth rate is 12. 12 divided by 67 into 100 is 17.91. In this way, you have to convert the given data into percentage. In the usual manner, draw x-axis and y-axis. X-axis represents year, y-axis represents birth rate for different countries. Here you have to mark the values up to 100. 1995, 2000, 2005, 2010. X-axis represents year. Here different years are given. We have to draw a vertical bar of equal length 100. This is for the year 1995. This is for 2000. This is for 2005. And this is for 2010. Now based on the country, we have to divide the segments. For the year 1995, the birth rate for China is 42.55. So you mark some point here, 42.55. India, the birth rate percentage is 31.91. So after 42.5, you mark 31.91, that is at 74.48. UK is 8.51. So after 74.48, you mark 8.51, that is at 82.97. And for USA 10.64, so you mark it 93.61. So after 93 you mark. So this is for USA 10.64. The remaining percentage is 6.38 for Germany. Now for the year 2000, the percentage for China is 33.82. So you mark here. And for India 29.41. So you mark it 63.23. And for UK 10.29. So you mark it 73.52. And for USA 14.71 percentage. So you mark it 88.23. 14.71 is for USA. The remaining portion is for the birth rate for Germany. 11.76 is the birth rate for Germany. For 2005, the birth rate for China is 21.54. It is some point here. And for India, 33.85. So you mark it 55.35. 33.85 for India. For UK, the birth rate is 12.31. So you mark it 67.7. This is for UK. For USA, the birth rate is 18.46. So you mark some point 86.16. The remaining portion is for Germany, that is 13.85. The birth rate for Germany is 13.85. For the year 2010, the birth rate for China is 29.85. It is some point here. And for India, the birth rate is 26.87. So you mark it 56.72. The birth rate for India is 26.87. Now for UK, the percentage is 14.93. So you mark it 71.65. 14.93 for UK. And for USA, the percentage is 10.45. So you mark it 82.1. It is some point here. 10.45 for USA. And the remaining portion is for Germany, 17.91. First you have to draw a vertical bar of equal length 100 and then you have to subdivide. To distinguish the birth rate of different countries, we use some different colors. After shading, you have to give the footnote. This is for China, this is for India, this is for UK, this is for USA, and this is for Germany. In this way, you have to draw a percentage bar diagram for the given data. Thank you for watching.